All right, one more question from section 11.5. Number 28 says you obtain a 20-year mortgage loan of $198,000, an annual interest rate of 8.4%. You have an annual property tax of $972 and an annual fire insurance premium of $486. And we want to find the total monthly payment for all of those things. So we have to come up with the monthly payment on the mortgage. We have to divide the annual property tax by 12 to get the monthly charge for the property tax, and divide the fire insurance by 12 to get the fire insurance monthly payment. All right, so let's first do the monthly payment formula, the mortgage payment, which we know from our previous work. Let's gather the information here. So we got our rate is 8.4%. Our time is 20 years. Remember, our N for these calculations is always 12 since it's a monthly payment. And I believe that's it. And our amount that we're looking at is the $198,000. So $198,000 R over N is going to be 0.084 over 12 divided by our lovely formula that we are hopefully familiar with at this point, to the negative NT. So that's going to be 240, negative 240. All right, so we've gone over how to put this into your calculator. We take this value and we call it A, and we take this value and we call it B, and we calculate our mortgage payment, 198, as just A over 1 minus B. All right, so let's do that. Let's go 0.084 divided by 12, and that is 0.007. We're going to store that to the letter A. Then we're going to take that A value, add 1 to it, and raise to the negative 240. So plus 1 raised to the negative 240. And that's going to be our B. And now we can just calculate this by putting in 198,000 times A divided by 1 minus B. Careful use of parentheses, right? Put parentheses around the denominator and parentheses around the entire fraction. And we should get our monthly payment of $1705.78 to the nearest cent. All right, so that's our mortgage payment. That's the mortgage payment. That's not it. That's not all, right? The property tax per month is just going to be 972 divided by 12. 972 divided by 12 gives us $81 a month for the property tax, and the fire insurance is going to be 486 divided by 12, which gives us $40.50 per month. All right, so that is the fire insurance per month, the property tax per month, and the monthly payment. So we're just going to add all those together with the total monthly payment is just going to be 1705.78 plus 81 plus $40.50. So we can just add all that up. Looks like 6 to 0. $40.50 plus 81 plus 1705.78 gives us a total monthly payment of $1827.28. So that is going to be our answer for the total monthly payment. Mortgage payment, the annual property tax, the fire insurance per month gives us a monthly payment of $1827.28. So that is number 28, chapter 11.5, page 680. Good times.